This video I'm going to be showing you how to register on Coinbase and create an account, and also I'll be guiding you step by step on how to do your KYC so that I can start using this exchange, because we are going to be making more videos regarding how to trade with this exchange, and I'll be explaining more about this exchange. So if you're new in this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping videos regarding it, you are going to be notified on time. So without further ado, let's get started. So here you can easily register in this exchange by using two means. You can register by clicking on this get started now, where it will take you to the next place step where you can register with your email, or you can decide to just use your Google automatically to sign in automatically. So you just I think the easiest way to register here is through the Google, where you click on sign in and then select an email for yourself. All right, so as soon as you click on this sign in, the next step is gonna load up, where you can select the email that you want to be using to be accessing your platform, the exchange. Okay, so you go ahead and tap on sign up, sign in now, and then you select from the list of emails it will display. All right, take you to this step where I said you can decide to use an email to register. You can decide to also use the passkey from your phone to register, and you can decide to use your Apple if you're using the Apple phone to register here. But I prefer this one, signing in with Google. All right, so I'll click on signing in with Google. It will take you to this next step to verify. Where you'll be told to verify your number. All right, so you go ahead and verify your number by clicking right here. Okay, then you select your country number. You can tap here to select your country number. Here I'll type Nigeria. Type Nigeria right there, and then you go ahead and insert your mobile number right here. So type my mobile number. Then you go ahead, and after inserting your number, you go ahead and start this puzzle to confirm that you are a human being. Okay, you go ahead and start this puzzle. You click on that start puzzle. You click on that start puzzle right now. So what they're actually telling you is that you have to match this object right here. Okay, you have to match it right here. That is what they want you to do. Okay, so what you are going to be doing is that they say use the arrow to move the person until they are standing on the same icon in the left image. So we'll use this arrow to move the person. Okay, we'll use this arrow to move the person until they are standing right here. Okay, so we tap on the right arrow, we tap on it, and we tap on this. Okay, we'll make sure that we tap on, make sure that what I want the person to stand right here, because you can see that this object looks like this object. So I must make sure that I keep shifting this person until this person stands right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be tapping this side and this side. Okay, so I keep tapping until I tap correctly. Okay, good. You can now see that the person is now standing at the same image. You can see here he's standing at the same image. If you look bottom, now I got it correctly. So I'll go ahead and click on submit. Now you can see your answer is submitted. Okay, now they brought up another one, and this time around it's an ice cream icon, and here is the ice cream icon. I have to make sure that this person sits on this ice cream. Okay, so I'll still tap on this image, tap on this arrow until this person sits on this particular ice cream that I want him to sit. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'll tap. Now the person has sat on it. You can see here that the person has just sat on it, the same image. I hope you understand. So go ahead and click on next. I've answered the second answer. Another one has been added. This is the final one that I'm going to be answering. Here you can see the person is standing. I have to make sure the person is standing at this image right here on this image. Okay, so that is what I have to make sure. But if you look right here, you can see that the person is already standing in this image. I don't need to change or move the arrow up and left and right. So it's already in the correct position. So I'll just go ahead and click on submit button and I'm good to go. Good. You can now see verification completed. Now all my information has just been verified. You go ahead and select a pin for yourself, okay, that you'll be using to access your numbers, and you have to be as fast as possible. So you select a pin. Now I need to take you to this section where you go ahead and select a code, a pin for yourself. A pin will be generated and sent to your phone number. You have to go ahead and make sure that you insert that pin. Check in your phone if the pin has been sent. There are 6-digit pin that will be sent. But in case you check in your phone and it hasn't been sent, you have to go ahead and click on resend code, okay? So you tap on that resend code and it's going to be sent automatically to the number that you used in registering, okay? Then you have to go and start another puzzle. If you didn't get it right, if you didn't get the first pin on time, you have to go and solve another puzzle. Now you have to go ahead and follow the step that I showed you on how to solve the puzzle and solve the puzzle, all right? Because it's only when you solve that puzzle and then another pin will be generated for you, okay? Because if you miss the first round of pin that was sent to you, you have to go back and solve another puzzle to get another pin for yourself, okay? So I missed the first pin that was sent to me because I was not fast enough in applying the pin, because I was already recording the video on how to show you how to register. That was why. So I have to go back again and do the process again and solve the puzzle so that I can be able to receive another pin. I hope that was clear enough. So here I'm gonna go back here. It's already standing on it. I'll tap on it. Then first answer submitted, it was correct. I'll tap on the second answer. Yes, what I am going to tap on this place is a boot right here, and the boot is here. You have to make sure this person is standing on this boot. So I'll toggle this on. I'll click on the right arrow until I make sure that person is standing on the boot, okay? I'll tap again. He's now standing on the boot. You go ahead and click on continue, and the answer has been submitted. All right, so another code will be sent to me. This time you have to be as fast as possible, okay? Now we are waiting for the code to be sent. Good. 7645. Paste it right here, okay? I've pasted it now. It has now gone successfully. So here's the final step. They say we should go ahead and complete the personal account setup. So to show up this page, go ahead and click on this, highlight it, and then go ahead and click on submit button. Then it will be, the information will be submitted, okay? Now they say be the first to know, all right? In case they want you to insert your email. Okay, I think we've done all that. You can just come over here and click on yes, no, because they are asking if you would like to receive emails from Coinbase on price updates. So no, we don't need that for now, but you can as well do that. But I don't need that, so I'll go ahead and click on no. So here we are told to check our citizenship. We select your country. Mine is Nigeria, so I'll tap Nigeria right here. I'll click on it and then go ahead and click on continue. You select your city and your country of birth, okay? So you select your city. Mine is Calabar, and the country of birth is already Nigeria, as we all know. sorry, Nigeria. I'll select Nigeria. Then I'll go ahead and click on continue. Okay. You let it load and ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay. Go ahead and click on continue again. It says now you are told you are gonna be filling in all of these informations right here. Okay. You fill in your legal first name, your date of birth, and still your country of residence again. Afterwards, you go ahead and click on continue. All right. As soon as you are done filling in all of this information, you can now go ahead and click on continue, and it will take you to where you insert your BVN or your government issued ID card. Go ahead and submit all your government issued ID card, and then you'll be given free access to the Coinbase app where you can start trading your cryptocurrencies here on the exchange. Okay, so if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.